This inner corner liner technique will change your life, and I can guarantee you have never seen this before. Have you ever effortlessly done your eyeliner to perfection? Today I'm going to show you the easiest technique so you can perfect it every single time. I learned this from another creator who I'm going to tag in the description box below, so make sure to check that out. And today we will need the help of a sticky tape, which will literally act as a stencil and make your life so much more easier. I bought this from Real Techniques and it comes with a brush set. But if you don't want to buy the entire brush set, I'm going to link some good ones in the description box right below this video. So make sure to check that out. I'm going to cut a strip and attach it to the outer corner as an extension of my lower lash line, going upward and outward, and that'll be a stencil for the outer wing. Today I'm going to be using the Inglot gel liner with a nail art brush, which I use for my eyeliners because it's precise, it's fine, but you're welcome to use a liquid eyeliner if you prefer. Again, using the tape as a stencil, I'm going to pull out a wing in the outer corner, and you don't have to worry about messing up like I'm doing here because the tape is going to take care of creating that sharp edge for you. All you have to do is pull out a wing and join it to your lash line. And then taking more of the gel eyeliner and using my lash line itself as a stencil, I'm going to lay the brush tip flat on my lash line and simply stamp it from the inner to the outer corner, joining it to the wing. You can go over it a couple times to make it as thin or as thick as you prefer. I'm going to remove that tape in the outer corner, and as you can see, without any effort, we created a beautiful winged liner. If the tape removes some of your makeup in the outer corner, you can quickly fix it with some concealer like I'm doing here. Now, the trick for the inner corner, I know we all struggle, but just like we use the tape in the outer corner, we will use a smaller strip for the inner corner. This time I'm going to stick it as an extension of my inner corner right in the middle, just like this. I'm going to dip my nail art brush in my gel eyeliner, and without putting in much effort or any effort, I'm going to extend my inner corner. And again, I'm not worrying about being extremely neat because the tape is going to take care of that for me. I'm simply focused on extending the inner corner and joining it to my lash line. Let's go ahead and remove that tape to reveal the sharp inner corner. How easy and effortless was that? And that looks absolutely stunning. I'm going to attach this to my lower lash line as well, and that's pretty much it. We have a sharp wing in the outer and in the inner corners without any effort. I'm going to repeat it once again on my left eye to show you how easy it is, because I know sometimes we get it on one eye and we don't get it on the other eye. But with this technique, you get an even winged eyeliner, whether it's in the outer corner or inner corner, on both eyes, and it looks well balanced. Here again, I stuck the longer strip in the outer corner, and I'm using some gel eyeliner with my nail art brush, and I'm quickly pulling out a wing in the outer corner and lining my lash line. Now I'm taking a smaller strip of the sticky tape and sticking it to my inner corner before I quickly do the inner wing. And I'm going to attach that to my upper lash line. It's time to remove the tape to reveal the inner corner. I'm going to lightly sharpen it just a tad bit and attach it to my lower lash line. Using the House Labs Kohl Kajal pencil, I'm going to quickly tightline on both sides. And to finish up, I'm going to curl my lashes. This is the Sally Hansen curler, and apply a coat of mascara. And the mascara that I'm going to be using today is the Milk Kush mascara. Here is the completed look. How easy was that without putting in any effort? I must have said that like a zillion times because it's truly that easy. I hope you'll try this technique, and if you do, please don't forget to tag me. My socials are listed in the description box below. And let me know in comments what you'd like to watch next. If you enjoyed this video, please don't forget to thumbs up, and please subscribe if you're new here. I love you guys so much, and I will see you soon with a brand new one. Bye guys.